Hello everyone. Question number 9. Question is the vertices of the triangle PQR are given here. Find the equation of the median passing through the vertex R. Equation of the line of a median passing through vertex R. So they are talking about the median. So let this point as, let it be M. So median divides the base into two equal parts, or we can say this point M is the midpoint of PQ. So first of all we will find out the coordinate of M by using the midpoint formula. So first we will take coordinate of M by using midpoint formula. So x plus y, x1 plus x2 upon 2, so it will come as 0. 1 plus 3, 4 upon 2, it will come as 2. So the coordinate of M will come as 0 and 2. Now 2 points are given. You have to make the equation of this line. How will you make the equation of the line? Formula is y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and here x minus x1. So 2 point form is there. Now apply it here. You can take it this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1. So 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. x2 minus x1, that is minus 4. And here what will you write it? X minus x1. So x minus 4. It will be cancelled out. So 4y minus 20 equal 3x minus 12. Now you can go for the 4y equal 3x. Shift it on the other side. It will come as 8. So this is the equation of the line. Is it clear? So since in this case 2 points are the you have got it, and then you can find out the equation of the line. Question number 10. Question 10 is find the equation of the line passing through this and perpendicular to the line passing through these 2 points. Each AC line which is passing through this, and that line is perpendicular to the line by passing through these 2 points. So first of all we will find out the slope of this. Perpendicular, since this given line which you have to find out the equation, that line is perpendicular to the line which you will make it from here. So it means that M1, M2 equal minus 1. This condition we can apply it. So what we will do, we will find out the slope from these 2 points. So let this coordinate as A and this is B. So we will find out the slope of AB. So slope AB. How will you find out? Slope M value, how will you find out? 2 points are there. Y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1 means 6 minus 5 upon x2 minus x1. So it will come as 1 upon minus 5, or you can write it minus 1 upon 5. So this is the slope of AB. So what should be the slope of the given line? Use this formula M1, M2 equal minus 1. So you can consider it as M1. So slope, therefore, slope of given line, what it should be? M1 into M2 equal minus 1. So if you will find out, if you will use it over here, so it will come as 5. Reciprocal of this and negative. So let it be M2. The slope of the given line you have got it. Look here. This into this. M1 into M2. You are getting it as minus 1. Now it is passing through minus 3 and 5 also. So what should be the formula? Take it as x1 y1. So the formula is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. 1 point formula. So y minus y1. इस लाइंस, इस कोऑर्डिनेट से पास हो रही है लाइन. So you have to find out the line which is passing through this. So y minus y1 equal m. M of given line is 5. X minus x1. Minus minus will become plus. So y minus 5 equal 5x plus 15. Now you can 5x shift it. So this is the equation of the line which is passing through this and perpendicular to the given points. I hope this question is clear. Now come to the next question. In question 11, question is a line perpendicular to the line segment joining the point. Joining the point divides it in the ratio 1:n. एक line dividing this given line in the ratio 1:n, and that line is perpendicular also. That is perpendicular also. So एक ऐसी line which is perpendicular to the given line and it divides it in the ratio 1:n. Okay. So now the question is find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. So this point is P. So we have to find out, let this as A and this as B. So we have to find out the equation of this line PQ. Okay. So for that, one thing, there are two conditions. This is perpendicular. So from here we can find out the slope. So then apply the condition m1 m2 equal -1. You will get the slope of this given line. The line whose equation we have to find out, and then we will find out the coordinate of P also by this 1:n concept. So first of all, we will find out slope of AB. That is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it is coming as 3. Therefore, slope of line PQ will be m1, use the concept, since it is perpendicular, m1 m2 equal -1, so it will come as -1/3. Now we will find out the coordinates of P. So coordinate of P, how will you? It divides it in the ratio 1:n. The coordinate x value of first point 1 into 2 n into 1 plus n upon n plus 1. So this is x, and now y 1 into 3 plus n into 0 upon n plus 1. So these are the coordinates of P. Now tell me what should be the next step which you have to write it. Coordinate is given and the slope of the line is also given. Then apply it over here. Coordinate, one point is given and the slope is given. So formula is y minus y1 equal y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1. So x minus x1. Like this. So which formula you have applied? 1 point formula, that is y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. So this formula you will apply. Now tell me what should be next step. Solve it by taking its LCM and shift the terms, and then you can solve it. Your equation of the line will come in the terms of n here. Is it clear? So I think you can solve this part yourself, and then you can find out the equation of the line. Question number 12. Question is, find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Equal intercept on coordinate axis. Equal intercept on coordinate axis. Coordinate axis लिखा है means on x axis as well as on y axis. And it is making equal intercept. So we will take it as, let it be x, equal intercept. And since they are talking about the intercept form on both the axes, so what is the formula? That is x upon a plus y upon b equal 1. This formula we will apply. And this line is also passing through point 2 and 3. Okay. So equal intercept. So we will take both the terms as a here. So it will be x upon a plus y upon a equal 1. Look at the figure. This given line is passing through 2 and 3 also. It means the x and y value must, this 2 and 3 coordinate must satisfy x and y here. Since it is passing through 2 and 3. So instead of x and y, we will substitute that value 2 upon a plus 3 upon a equal 1. Reason, as it is passing through 2 and 3. So solve it. You will get it 2a plus 3a equal a. Sorry. 2 plus 3 equal a. So 5 equal a. So what you have got it here? That the value of a as 5. Now you will put this value in the given formula. In the given formula. So it will be, therefore, equation of line is x upon a. A is 5 plus y upon 5 equal 1, or make it properly equal, this is y equal 5. So this is the equation of the line of question number 12. Now next question. In question 13 it is written, find the equation of the line passing through 2 and 2 and cuts of equal intercept on both the axes whose sum is 9. Sum is 9. If we will take the x intercept as a, then what should be the y intercept? Y intercept, since sum of both of them will be 9, is 9. So it will be 9 minus a. So here the value of a is a and the b value is 9 minus a. Again they are talking about the intercept formula. So the formula is x upon a plus y upon b equal 1. Substitute these values and it is passing through 2 and 2. This line is passing through 2 and 2 as we did it in the previous question. So it must satisfy x and y. Solve it, you will get the value of a as 6 or 3. Both of them are right here. So if x-intercept, if we will take it as 6, then the y-intercept will be 9 minus 6. So it will come as 3. And if we will take x-intercept as 3, then the y-intercept will be 9 minus 3, that is 6. Okay, now you have to make the equation of the line. So with both of them, we will make the equation of the line here. So in this case, you will get x upon 6, x upon a plus y upon b equal 1. And then you will solve it to get the answer. And in this case, you will get x upon a 3 plus y upon b 6 equal 1. Again you will solve it. So it will come as 2x plus y equal 18. So this is the one equation of the line. And from here you will get here x plus 2y equal 18. Okay, so these are the two equation of line over here with both the cases. Question number 14. Question 14 is find the equation of the line passing through 0 2 and makes an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. So theta is 2 pi by 3, 120 degrees. Solve करेंगे, you will get m value as minus root 3 and it passing through 1.02. So y minus y1 equal m, x minus x1. So you will get this equation. It has one more part. Find the equation of the line parallel to it. Equation of the line which is parallel to it and crossing y-axis at a distance 2 below the origin. Y-axis. So y-intercept. So what is the formula if y-intercept is there? So formula is y equal mx plus c. And below the origin it is saying. So the value of c is minus. Okay. So since equation of the line which is parallel to this. So what is the condition if it is parallel? m1 equal m2. So from here slope of line will be y equal mx plus c. So it will be minus root 3. Okay? Both the slopes will be equal. जिस equation की slope निकालनी है that is minus root 3 and further it is written crossing y-axis at a distance 2 from below the origin. So here c equal minus 2 below the origin, negative sign. Now you will use the formula y equal mx plus c. So equation is y equal m. This is slope. M minus root 3 x plus c. So this is the equation of the line. Is it clear? Okay. Now question 15. Question 15 is the perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at a point minus 2, 9. Perpendicular from the origin meets the line at point minus 2 and 9. Find the equation of the line. इस line की equation निकालनी है and this is perpendicular. So from the perpendicular we can find out the slope. So first we will find out slope of OP. Formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it will be minus 9 by 2. Now you have to find out the slope of the given line. What it should be? Slope of line. Since it is perpendicular to the given line. So formula is m1 m2 equal minus 1. So what it should be? m1 m2 equal minus 1. So it will be 2 by 9. देखिए, if you will multiply both of them, you will get it minus 1. अब इस line की slope, we have the slope given and one point is also given. Minus 2 and 9 is also given. So can we apply the formula here? Yes. So y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. So y minus इस line में y1 is 9 equal m 2 by 9 x minus x1 plus 2. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will solve it. 9y minus 81 2x plus 4. So 9y equal 2x. Shift it on the other side. It will become 85. So this is the equation of the line which we have to find out. I hope all these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.